Hello everyone, we are Team Fortnite. This is our submission for the Grid Hackathon. Today we're trying to help the hearing impaired in work environment with the Zoom ASL. Because nowadays in Zoom meeting, colleagues with hearing impairment or mute find difficult to communicating with others. So our Zoom provided closed caption for the hearing impaired to know what people are speaking, because they would have to type or express their view easier.
Statistically, 57.1% of deaf people were employed in 2019. One of the employees shares his story wherein an additional interpreter had to support him, who wouldn't always be available. Currently, we have implemented the backend framework as a part of the hackathon. This is how we envision our product. When a person joins the meeting, he could choose ASL Assist. Closed captions are available for people who are speaking. Hearing impaired employees can sign using ASL, which would be converted to speech, letting them converse efficiently in meetings.
So for this hackathon, we have a data science framework at the backend, which helps in translating the word-level American Sign Language dataset. So this dataset has 2,000 classes, but for our scope, we just considered 100. But what happened is that we were not able to scrape the datasets efficiently, so we went with a pre-processed dataset and then we trained it. This was used to convert sign language to text, and then we used APIs for text to speech and then again speech to text, so that the holistic application of the conferencing tool is matched. We also did have our own neural network with the data we collected, and we did train that for both spatial frames and temporal frames using the optic flow library. Another option a pipeline has is the sign language text is also auto-completed using NLP toolkits. So as I said, these were the hardships we faced because we were not able to get the datasets at first, and then we had to course correct, use pre-processed dataset, and sometimes use a pre-trained model to show the proof of concept. We did collect our own data, like we recorded it ourselves in the hackathon, and then we trained it, and then we have a good results, and we'll see that in the demo.
As you see, I am doing the sign languages for each word, and in the right hand side the command line shows a word one by one. At the end it forms a sentence out of it using the sentence generator model from the keywords.
This is a custom model which we have built for the 6 classes of data. So this is a part is like a test subject over here. So this is particularly vocabulary in our data set for nice. The label for this prediction should be nice. So, and this particular file is converted to frames, and that is stored in this directory. The inference is being run, and the optic flows are being predicted. Since we didn't have like a GPU to predict on, so the predictions are a bit slow, but then the predictions are there. So nice, yeah. Basically what we did is one of the models was just the optic flow data, which basically shows how the pixels are moving across a series of frames, and another data is just stack of frames.
Thank you.